Hi viewers, today I'm going to make yummy, spicy and crunchy pasta. Let's get started. Take a bowl and add 3 cups water. Let it start to boil. Add half tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 cup pasta to it. I have chosen spiral pasta. Drain the pasta when it is 80% cooked. Pour cold water on it to prevent further cooking. Let it rest for some time. Add 2 tablespoons rice flour to the pasta. Mix the pasta until it is well coated. Heat a pan with oil and add the pasta to it. Fry till light brown color on medium flame. Add half tablespoon chili powder, half tablespoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper. You can add other flavors of your wish. Crunchy pasta is ready. Drop a comment how you got this recipe and subscribe to my channel Delicious Foods. Thanks for watching. Bye.